bride should be arriving here shortly.
Hello! Welcome to our Lamborghini.
Oh my...
That's awesome. Yeah.
No way! Yeah, right there. They all?
Hey, happy Saturday. I'm starting off my spring vlog a little early because I'm doing some pre-spring vlog, spring vlog preparation by going to the farmer's market. I'm gonna pick up, you know, I actually don't know what I'm gonna pick up, but they have a ton of fresh vegetables. It's 5 minutes from my house and it's all just local produce. Sometimes they sell hand crocheted animal figurines. They also have goat soap, goat milk soap. What else have I seen there? There are a lot of dogs usually. It's a really nice place. It's very eclectic, very welcoming. Everyone just wants you to buy their goods and talk about how they made them or how their day's going. I love it. I'm also gonna try to find some pots because I really want to bring out my green thumb this season. I have a fake plant in my room and a cardboard Christmas tree. They're actually right here. And I've been able to keep them alive. But I think spring is the perfect time to get some real live plants because my room gets so much natural light and I feel like if I want to be able to garden, you know, when I'm the ripe age of 20 or 30, then I have to start now. So that's what I'm gonna do. I've also thrifted a lot of clothes recently and I really want to flip my room around, so this is just gonna be a big thrift spring flip. Sustainable, fun, lots of foliage.
Yeah, you do a little bit. Really? The rest of it. I'll keep you like this. Oh, they have cold brew. Do you really?
Where am I going to plant this tree?
I don't know, you can put it in your kitchen.
So how does this type of thing work?
Yeah.
Basically, you just like put the filter over the top and then pour your water over it. Instead of like a drip coffee maker, which is, I guess, kind of like what it sounds like, it just drips over. It pours over like a steady stream. So it just brews a little bit different.
Did you try it on with the
All right.
I love it. What's your favorite goat soap?
All of them.
Ah, fair.
A little bit goes a long way when you use them. I guess you're going to use the card too, aren't you?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Oh,
that smells so good, Nick. Come smell it.
yeah. Oh, he's right. A little does go a long way. Yeah. Oh, good. Oh, wait, what's that?
You gotta squint your eyes.
Oh, it's delicious.
Wait, I wanna try it.
Bye. See you later.
All right, the day has come. We are officially going to do a spring makeover on both my room and myself. So I actually, there's, here. I have a lot planned for us today. It's gonna be the time of your life. I can guarantee it. Okay. So, the first thing that I thought we'd do is try on some outfits. So, I thrifted a bunch of clothes recently. They're all from ThredUp. I'm gonna talk a little bit about what ThredUp is, and then we'll try some stuff on. Because, you know, I don't know a lot about what is trending in fashion. I'd like to say that my style is pretty, I would use the word eclectic, but I think I do have an idea of what I'm gonna be wearing this spring. So I thought maybe I'd show you. So ThredUp is this awesome thrift store where you can thrift your favorite brands for up to 90% off retail price, which is great because I really don't like to spend that much money on clothes. And I've honestly never gone on that website and not been able to find stuff. And especially this season, I think I really got some gems. Let's just start out with some things that I found. We'll start in the pants section. These corduroy pants from Banana Republic. I got a lot of pants that are this style. These pants, I also got these pants and these pants. And if you look at the leg, they all kind of have that same fit. I'm thinking the whole like baggy kind of PJ style pant is coming back. Lately I've been wearing a lot of neutral tones that kind of look like they've been run through the wash a lot. I've also been cropping shirts and then keeping the fabric. I have a whole bag. This is all just fabric that I've kept from shirts that I've cropped. And what I do is I just take whatever I cut and then I either use it as a little belt. Sometimes I wear them as headbands. That can also look super cute. I mean, definitely not this, but this is just for, you know, a quick idea. But I wanted to mention, I have a discount code. And if you use my discount code, which is Halle30, you can get 30% off your entire order at ThredUp. It's the biggest steal of the spring season. I found this little black high neck top on ThredUp that's from Express, which was originally $40 and I got it for $20 and cropped it. It's so cute, and I paired it with these current Elliott jeans that I got for $52.99 and this green velvet backpack that's so cute. I just throw everything in it, and some black slip-on sandals. On my way to private school. Okay, so for this fit, I paired just any white collared shirt with a tan brown skirt. This one I found on ThredUp. It's by Adriano Goldschmidt, and I paired it with this black Ralph Lauren sweater and some black slip-ons. These Nike waffles are from ThredUp too. I'm telling you guys, it is the place. I'm a very big fan of these pants. I think they bring out the best in me. I paired them with this black Dickies tank that I got on ThredUp for $10, and I found these collusion pants on there too that were originally $48 and I got for $37.99, and these green Nike waffles, which I love. I've kind of been wearing them with everything. Brown, plaid. Yeah, like that. This is that cute pink Calzone pullover I got for $10.99. Like that? I kind of like it. And this is that loft cardigan I cropped. I got for $8, and it was originally $60. This is a nice chartreuse. I love it. Yeah. Skechers. There's that crop sweater again. I just paired it with some white corduroy pants from Banana Republic. I got them for $18. They're originally $70. And some black sandals. These are probably my favorite shoes in my closet. They make me feel European. I mean, this is very lounge-weary, but
So I think this black sweater tank would look good with both of these pants. These are from ThredUp. I got them for $20.99. They were originally $48 from American Apparel. And then the orange silk ones were kind of expensive but worth it. And I just put them both with these black slip-ons, which I kind of love. I feel like they go with everything. I have some dark wash straight leg jeans again. Those are the Kurt and Elliott ones, and I just put them with this little floral green sweater with some cute little pearl details and any white shoe. I feel like any floral sweater tucked into pants looks good.
My friend made this skirt.
I'm sad to say this is my last outfit idea of spring, but it ended on a good note with this Lauren by Ralph Lauren sweater and this handmade, hand-painted, adorable jean skirt. And I just put them with these high-top Converse, which are great if you're short because they're platforms, so they give you a couple inches.
Okay, so you've thrifted your items, right? You got them for a steal. Now you have multiple kinds of the same shirts. So what do you do in honor of spring? Closet clean out.
Alright, my closet's cleaned out. I even have a few hangers left over, which says something because I usually never do. And here's my bag of items. Now, we're gonna do a little spring craft. Okay, we're back in original outfit number 1. So, like I said before, I really want to become a plant mom, but I don't trust myself with real plants yet. So I went to Five and Below, and I got some room decor, and I also got some fake flowers at Target. And I figured this will be a little bit more manageable for me. So I got 3 cups. They were super cheap, all $1. I'm just gonna take maybe a few sprigs of each fake plant and just cut them off. Okay, last one. This one's my favorite, it's so pretty. I feel like I'm getting just as much relaxation from planting fake flowers as real ones. So, if you're worried about gardening this spring, don't be. You can still have a great time with $5 fake foliage. Okay, how cute is that? Adorable. And then what I was thinking was, because the ones in Target had a little water in them, I'd kind of ride that train, so. Boom, 5-minute crafts. Okay, the last couple things I found at Five and Below were these 2 little baskets and this cute rug. So, out with the old and in with the new. It's so cute. And then these I was going to use just for storage under my bed. These won't be basketless anymore. Oh, that looks so sustainable. All right, well, that sums up the spring makeover. I'm not sure if I'm gonna end this vlog here because I think I'm still gonna do some stuff this week that I might want to record because I record everything. But if you're feeling stressed or anything, I kind of recommend this because this week especially, I felt like the world was ending. My brain just was so packed with all this worry, and I think it's because I had all this stuff due and I was spending all my time getting anxious about it instead of actually doing it, and it made me feel terrible. So I think organizing my life a little bit, getting rid of stuff, doing some cute fake plant crafts, organizes my brain too. So maybe that's a spring tip of mine too. This season, don't get anxious. Just get her done. I also have problems with outros. I think I talk too much and then I say stupid stuff. And then when I'm editing the video, I'm like, oh my God, I have to put this in here because it's my only option for an outro. But I sound like an idiot. So I'm just gonna end this now, but thanks for watching. See you later. Spring vlog continued. Look at Ava's spring decorations.
Oh, yeah.
And she just got a new box of incense, so we're lighting
Look,
that.
guys. So many.
So apparently you can get this on Amazon. I'm gonna make some lettuce wraps. I think it's a very springy recipe, so I'll show you. Oh, that smells good. So I'm gonna make some of those and I'll show you what they look like. And then
We're getting Thai food.
we're also gonna order some Thai food.
Hey, happy springtime, everyone.
Hey. Final product, vegan yum yum sauce, collard greens. You did the Food Network bite shot.
What is that?
It's when you go like this.
Is that what I did?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. This is great. What did you put in this? Oh my god.
We're gonna go. Okay, taste test. Delicious, the best thing you've ever had.
It's seriously so good.
Okay, let's go get dinner.
Yay!
Renegade.
We're gonna get Thai, but I'm just gonna eat these.
Just a little side note, if you want 30% off your ThreadUp order, use Halle 30. Save yourself $1 or $2 in style.